Hello world! Kevin Lutop arrived in St. Moritz, Switzerland. As he is staying at Badrut's Palace, it isn't just a hotel. It's a world within a world as it offered the beauty, the comfort, the sense of history, every quality you will experience in here. We have been exploring the depths of Badrut Palace wine cellar with Kilan Paris, where the rich history of wines meets the art of fragrance. The new fragrance of enchanting Kilan Paris, it's a toast of Angel Share Paradis, a new collection that captures the essence of cognac, warmth and refinement. Angel Share Paradis is an intense extrait de parfum inspired by aged cognac, capturing the Maison savoir-faire and Kilan's Hennessy legacy. It blends raspberries liqueur, Bulgarian rose oil, purple, praline accord, and warm amber tone cabin, absolute for a bold, sensual trail. Let's all grab a piece of it and experience the long-lasting sensual fragrance of it. Gladly day to all! Always like, comment, share, and subscribe on my channel. Thank you!